Good morning, good morning! Ay, against the light tayo, against the light. Light. Ba, yan, subukan natin. Papasok na naman. It's about, what, anong oras na ba? 7:40 in the morning here in California, sa LA County. Dito ako sa parking lot, getting ready to go to work. Traffic ako kanina, hindi ako nakapag-video kanina kaya ngayon mo lang bago papasok. Medyo ayoko pumasok pero kailangan. Anyways, samahan niyo ako o kaya papasok muna at natin anong mangyari today. Probably busy again. At nakatok pa ako. Ay naku po, mainit pa, malamig ngayon right now pero mamaya mainit so pan lang, tingnan natin kung tamahan nyo ako mamaya, papapakita ko yun sa trabaho ko. Nandito sa parking lot nakapark pa ako, naghihintay. I'm about to start about weird ba? Weird. Tingnan nyo mga kalbo kayo. 20 minutes or 15 minutes or so. Nag-umpisa lang ako ng mag-video kung ay nako, para makita nyo naman parang ginagawa ko everyday. Busy kasi ako, mostly tatrabaho ako ng 6 days a week okay, 5 days a week pag minsan, pero pag busy usually 6 days diretso trabaho ko. Saka yung day off ko nagpapalit nasa usually either Tuesday or Wednesday, sometimes Friday. Pero ngayon, last time I had a day off, it's just yung nung New Year's Day. Pero ayun, mamaya siguro ano oras na ba? 7:45. Okay. Alright, but kita na mamaya pag sa break ko. Video ulit itatry natin kung mag-vlog everyday. Hindi naman ako nagbablog ako most of the time, pero it's a good challenge. Pero tingnan natin kung makakaya ko.
Good luck! Naiya weird ba?
Oo, naiya weird.
Tingnan nyo mga kalbo kayo. Go-graduate kayo.
Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Tara na. Tayo na sa parking, papasok muna natin kung lalak ko ba sa sasakyan. Trabaho. Let's go. Hey, wanna say hi to my channel vlog, dude? That's my coworker.
Good morning.
Morning. I'm doing some vlogging, but before I go to work, just to get in there, And maybe someone's gonna like it, dude.
Yeah, you should.
Parking lot.
I gotta go in and get my hours fixed.
Why?
I received 0 hours for Wednesday.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, did they give you 6 hours? Or that's supposed to be 4 hours for you? 8 hours.
I don't know, but it's 0. So I gotta go find out. Like, am I getting 6? Or am I getting 8?
When you converted? Monday, no?
No, I converted Saturday.
Oh, Saturday. So you should be able to get 8 hours at least.
I don't know. We'll see. I talked to Ning yesterday, and she told me that, you're not supposed to. You're still a CCA, right? And you might not get all paid vacation. I'm like, wait a minute.
But you converted Saturday.
Fucking New Year should be like a big holiday where everybody.
Yeah.
So maybe go talk to them. And then on top of that, I have to talk to Melina too.
Yeah, I'll have them talk to them to make sure.
To see if she knows if it's gonna be a 6 or an 8.
Yeah, that sucks. It didn't pay you like all full 8 hours.
Yeah, man. I'm like, what the heck? 0.
Ayan, papasok na. Mamaya. Hintayin mamaya ha. Bye. Okay, time check tayo. Lunch time. Anong oras na ba? Mga see, it's about 1:22 PM. Maglalunch pa lang. Ito, maglalunch. Taco Bell. Ay, muna tayo. 30, we got 30 minutes of lunch. Pagod na ako. Ay, magkain. Taco Bell. Oh, you know what? I don't want that. Asan na yung kon ko? The sides. French fries. And drinks. Okay. 1, 2, max. Order. Ito na. Ayan. Okay. Okay, tapos na. Balik ako. Pas muna ako ng hands. Tayo. Oh, waiting tayo. Waiting. Order na. I ordered. I'm just waiting. Yeah, I will thing. Eric? Yeah. Thank you. Oh, can I get drinks? Or the medium drinks?
To the medium?
Yeah.
Just 1 minute. That was just 1 minute?
Yeah, that's medium. Thank you. Soda. Medium lang ito. Late ang medium nila. Lang ya. Parang small naman ito. Hindi ko na lang pagkain. Ay, kapagod. Gutom. Walang katao-tao ko lang dito eh. Tapos na kasi lunchtime usually 12 o'clock eh. Maraming tao dito pag usually 12 eh. Anong oras na? 1:30 na eh. Nag-late lunch ako ngayon. Busy sa trabaho. Well, 30 minutes lang yung lunch ko eh. Mama rin kumain. Ha? Ayan. Thank you. Na. Boss. Kain tayo. Kakain. Malamang to ah. Did I order with a cheese fry? I ordered with a cheese fry, right? I ordered with a fries. So I don't want the fries. They gave me the cheese, but hello?
Okay, this is the drink. I'm just waiting on the food back. It will be alright.
Gutom ako eh. Mga ulok sila. Binigay yung spice ko. Ay, gutom lang. Sauce. Kung walang sauce, kulang isa. Babagsak. Ang hangin ito ngayon. May driving naman ako ngayon eh. Ako naglalakad dun sa trabaho. Da-drive lang. Di-deliver na mga mail. No. Hindi ko pa alam yung day off ko eh. magkagala ako pag di ako video. Sarap ng cheese, ah. Ulog naman. Walang hiya.
Tingnan nyo mga kalbo kayo!
Ayan na. Busog na ako. Ha? Na? Tapos natin. Ang itim ko pala, no? Okay, tara na. Busog na. Refill lang ako. Refill lang ako. Balik na sa work. Sige, ako lang magtatrabaho. Kung gusto, nasa labas lang ako eh. Hindi ako sa loob ng office or anything. So I can go anywhere for lunch. Malapit sa trabaho mo kung nasan ako nag-deliver. So yun lang. And sabi ko kan dominance na sa akin. Ay nako. Wala, mainit ngayon, no? Panahon eh. Dami mga dito, oh.
Weird ba?
Weird.
Tingnan nyo mga kalbo kayo!